Moin moin, ladies and gentlemen, Don Spector here with an Amazon unboxing, and today I have for you two tips. We are taking a look at the NF Audio MS42 ear tips in SS, and we are taking a look at Zeos Corporation for ear tips. Yes, Zeos has ear tips now together with Hi-Fi Go X Zeos, the Render ear tips. Not sure why they're called Render, but we directly start with these, I would say. First, they come in one of those nice, nifty little boxes here. It also tells you where Hi-Fi Go is located. So if you would want to visit them, you could. And we open this, and then here have Zeos logo. And yeah, the tips themselves are, I would say, probably best described as hybrid tips. These are silicone filled with foam. And because my ear is small, I decided to go for S. And let me just get them out here. So I think we have 3 pairs. Yes, we have 3 pairs. And this is the ear tip. I can already tell you this is very hard foam. It seems to be extremely dense as well. So let me just squish it a bit and see. Slow, very slow bounce wall, but it's a very dense foam that they have here. And the silicone, as expected, is on the very thin side. Let me get you, for instance, the here. This is the liquid silicone ear tip. You can see that it's quite a bit thicker, and this is not even one that has like a thick outer mantle. This is more so on the thin side. And then at the top, so you have the comparison here. This has definitely more silicone going on at the outlet here, but this one has just a very minor silicone outlet here at all. Lengthwise, this is on the longish to medium side. This looks like, let me see if I have the random silicone tip that, for instance, comes with your pen and IEMs. Yeah, you can see, oh, that's actually still a bit longer. So you can say it's actually on the medium side here, maybe even a bit shorter. And yeah, it feels really stiff. Like, I'm not sure how comfortable this will be to my ear. But let's see, I have not tried any other hybrid foam/silicone tips so far. And you also get 3 pairs here. Just the color I'm not the greatest fan of. This is kind of this muted orange. It looks a bit like dirt, I have to say. But yeah. Then next, let's take a look at the MS42 tips. Yeah, food grade antibacterial silicone. I mean, silicone technically is not antibacterial, but you know, it's also not bacterial, so it's just a surface. Soft and comfortable to wear, high sound quality performance. Yep, I got these because these were extremely small. I think these are rated here, you can see it here, 9.3 millimeters in diameter. Wow, that's very small and might work actually for me because I have really small ear canal, and with longer tips. Oh, this is also, let me praise MS Audio here. This NF Audio, sorry, not MS Audio. I like this way of opening them. There's a light thing that you can like bend in and then get out, so you can actually reach your tips way easier. Other manufacturers do way worse job in making your tips accessible to you. And then this is on an, yeah, this is cut out plastic here, so also that is nice to just remove one set of tips. And then we have the tip itself here. So this is, I wouldn't say medium small outlet diameter. It is definitely a bit smaller than my benchmark tip. Let me quickly get on the benchmark tip. This is my benchmark tip because it's kind of average in every conceivable way. And you can see this one has a bit smaller outlet, and the ring at the top is definitely similarly pronounced. It's a bit wider overall because this is a bit more, I wouldn't say like U-shape than it is like V-shape. Like the other tips are a bit more like this shape, while this one is a bit more like that shape. So that should make a difference of how it inserts. But damn, I can tell you, this is a very small tip. I don't think I have anything smaller here at the moment. Let me quickly get maybe the Zettner Max tips in SS. Yeah, this is kind of similar. The Max tips in SS. Oops. And tip is gone. Tip is gone. Tip is back. Yeah, the Zettner tips in SS, you can see, seem to be still a bit bigger in diameter overall. And also how the umbrella is working, this should be able to insert a bit deeper on your IEM, but this one a bit less. But the nozzle or outlet here definitely feels very hard. like compared to the Max, which already were not soft, this actually feels pretty stiff. Not sure if that will work for me, but I will need to check it out. Let me see, do I have any other pair? Ah, yeah, here. Let's get, for instance, this is the Zettner Earfit Standard. That definitely is way longer, but these are also very hard, and I just wanted to see how they compare. Yeah, this is similar. This is really hard silicone, like doesn't conform much. It's very uncomfortable even after short amounts of time. This here is similar hard. Like I'm not sure if it's harder, but it's similar definitively. What I do like about this one, this is extremely short, and I will need to try this. Maybe on a few IMs it's working, maybe it's not. It's so hard I can't tell you now from just judging how it's looking. But yeah, generally outside and 40 degrees inside with just straight comfortable. I'm not sure what they want to tell me here. Yeah, okay, just saw this, and 30 and 40 degrees, I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but okay. That's a really quick unboxing of 2 sets of tips. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have tip recommendations, if you have suggestions, if you have criticisms, please leave a comment. And with this, Don Spector out.